In this video, we're going to discuss about the divisibility rule for number 3. Ito lang guys yung simple rule natin. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So usually, ang ginagawa natin dito, kapag 3 ang pinag-uusapan guys, ina-add natin yung mga digit ng mga number. So we have 3, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2 is 6. So this is definitely 312 is divisible by 3 kasi nga po ang digit nila 6 ay divisible. 257 is 9. So divisible din po yan. 1112 is not divisible since 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. 2031 is divisible by 3 since ang digit po nila ay 2 plus 3 plus 1 ay 6. And 911 is not divisible since 9 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. So remember, add all of the digit, then if the sum is divisible by 3, therefore the number is divisible by 3. So yun lang po. God bless at salamat po.